Hi everyone, this is your co-op lecture for Form 2, both A and B. Okay, so 2A students, we are on this week lesson 14, and we're starting the fourth conjugation this week with the present, imperfect, and future tenses only. So the infinitive ending for the fourth conjugation is ire. Drop the re from the infinitive to get the consistent stem for the fourth conjugation. Okay, so dropping the re from the present active infinitive gets you your stem. So for these words here, audire, the stem is audi. Dormire, I already messed up. Dormi, fini, impedi, inveni, muni, nesci, senti, ski, and veni. Those are our stems for the present tense. All right, you'll notice we only gave you, you're only given the first two principal parts this week, and we won't get the next ones until a little bit later. The present system of the fourth conjugation is essentially the same as the third conjugation, with the addition of the stem vowel I. So we get audio, audis, audit, audimus, auditis, audiunt. So the only thing that could be kind of surprising here is the audiunt, the U there. In the imperfect, we have audi, our present stem, plus ebam, ebas, ebat, ebamus, ebatis, ebant. And in the future, we have audi plus es et, emus, etis, ent. Remember that the third and the fourth conjugations both have these futures with es, et, emus, etis, ent, instead of the first and second conjugation futures, which go bo, bis, bit, etc. All right? The present tense endings are ost, mustis, and und. The imperfect endings are ebam, ebas, ebat, ebamus, ebatis, ebant, and the future are es, et, emus, etis, ent. All five vowels, that is ae and I, o, and u, are represented in the present system, and like the third conjugation, the fourth conjugation is an old maid because it has no bows in its future. Even though the irregularities of the third and fourth conjugation present systems are disappointing, be consoled by these considerations. 1. The personal endings are entirely regular. 2. The imperfect tense is entirely regular. 3. The fourth conjugation is very similar to the third, so once you have the third mastered, the fourth presents no new problem. And 4th, the perfect system, as well as all other forms of the Latin verb system, maintain the beautiful regularity you have come to expect from all Latin verbs. Okay, so with that we have all of our present active indicatives memorized with this fourth conjugation finally being done. Okay, let's see if I want to say anything about your vocab. Dormio, finio, impedio. Maybe some additional things. So audio, the derivatives they give you are audition and audio. With it, I would also add auditory, which means having to do with sound and hearing. For dormio, we have dormitory, which is where you sleep. But we also could think of dormant. So when something is dormant, it's sleeping in a sense. It's inactive. Finio, we have finite and finish. Impedio, impedire, we get impede, impediment, etc. Invenio, we get invent. That one's maybe the easiest one to see. Munio, munire, ammunition. We get ammunition from that. Let's see, sentio. We get sensitive. We also get things like sentient, sentimental, etc. Skio and neskio, these are related, obviously. Skio means to know, and neskio means not to know, or to not know. And then we have venio, venire, to come. It's where we get the word advent. Ad venio is to arrive. And so Advent is the time of the arrival. All right, so that's this lesson for you. Now, Latin 2B students, Form 2B students, you are doing a Unit 4 review, which is reviewing the third, fourth, and third IO conjugations in the perfect system. After this lesson, you'll be on to learning the passive forms, which is exciting, and will finally be some new material for you as well. But just quickly, remember that you need to find your your perfect stem for each word in order to do its conjugation properly. So, for example, let's see here. You need this third. It's not working. There we go. You need to go to the third principal part to find your perfect stem in order to do a perfect conjugation. I don't want to see, for example, facisti as a second person form in the perfect tense. Instead, fecisti, because that's the third principal part's stem, the perfect stem. All right, and you also have these adverbs to review, but that's not new. I don't know if I mentioned it last time, but quid, I always remember this word by saying, what is a squid? And for some reason that helps me remember that it's what rather than who. Quiz is who. All right. I think that is all. If you all would like a help session or anything, let me know. I'd be happy to meet with you on Zoom sometime before next class. And I hope we can meet in person next week. All right. God bless you.